Hey everybody, Sharon here with LNA Little Flowers, and I have another little mini envelope page insert tutorial. So in this one, you are going to need 3 envelopes, okay? So this one's pretty easy. You're going to take 2 of the envelopes and lift the little flap up like this, okay? And you do not want to glue them together. Weird, huh? I know. Then you're going to take your 3rd one. You're going to bend one back. Just like that. Okay? And this can probably be a little bit tricky, but you're going to slip this in here. So kind of get it on there however you can. Okay, so now that it's in, and this extra flap you're going to glue around. Okay. And then this one, you're going to want to stick the glue and kind of glue around. So I like to just pull that in and just kind of go in on the side. Okay. You don't need a ton of it. Okay. So, and then you have one just like that. And then when you go to insert it on your thing, there is where you insert it, just like that. And then you will cover up these pages with some cardstock and then pattern paper. And then if you want the pockets, you can take a sliver off of each one, and then you have pockets. And with these, this one is obviously going to be a shorter pocket, you know, but this one, you don't want to glue this part down unless you want a shorter pocket. You may want one. So I hope all that makes sense. So yeah, this will be fun. If you like this short little tutorial on Envelope Mini Album, give me a like and hit that subscribe. And as always, happy crafting.